What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to kind of show you around my future shop for my car, and we are going to clean it because it's a mess, and I'm trying to make it a little bit nicer and put a little workbench in the corner and stuff. So I'll give you a quick tour. Here we go. So right now, I'll back up so you can see everything. It's a really wide 2-car garage, paved drive as well. We have a workbench kind of back there, but it's kind of subpar. We have some more tables right here. We got a shop fridge with that Caleb Quanbeck giveaway sticker that I didn't win, but whatever, that's fine. Alright, so we got our first load done. Let me show you that corner. I don't know if the last clip got the finished product, but so looks quite a bit different. There's a ton of wood in this garage. I don't get it. I don't know what the uses were for, but whatever. We got that whole corner mostly cleared out. I might use those for trash cans, but all that's like a old crappy mower and a volleyball, and that'll get thrown away in the next load. Next, we're gonna bring these bikes to a local bike shop where you can donate bikes and stuff. Sorry though, that last clip cut me off. My camera's not cooperating with me today, but I'm trying to burn all the wood that I can, but it's gonna take a while because there's a lot there. But we're gonna go drop off this load, and then we'll come back and clean some more. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so sorry I haven't checked in a while. We grabbed lunch and then I kind of got lazy for a little bit. But I came out here and let me show you the finished product for now. So, a lot different. So we have the 2 couches, 1, 2. All this wood will slowly burn in that fire pit I showed you earlier. Plan on taking 2 of these square shelves out, building a bench, L bench right there. This is my dual cam KA that I'm doing a refresh on. That's just a short block, and then I can show you the valve cover and head over here. So the valve cover is right there. I painted it all with Rust-Oleum metallic blue spray paint. This is gold nail polish and white nail polish, and I just splattered it on. The head's right here. That still needs to go to the machine shop, but yeah. So we got the garage pretty up to par today, about as good as I can get it. For today, we're going out tonight to like a haunted house place. So hope you liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.